Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. Today I have a fun video. I'm going to build this. I got this as a present from a friend. This is an oscilloscope. I'm not kidding. I haven't opened this, so let's see what's inside. Oh, there's some sort of plug, okay. Oh, here. It's the DSO Shell DIY kit. User manual. Okay. It's a list for all the parts. Here are these assembly steps. And that should be the final product, I guess. Okay. Yeah. So, let's dig further. These are PCBs. Oh yeah, here with the display. Okay. It seems all the SMD components are already soldered on. Alright. Okay. What's this? That's the housing. Doesn't look too bad. Okay. Here are all the components. Yeah, I think that's all in here. Of course, made in China. I think this is more of a toy, but yeah, let's see. I think putting this together will be fun. And these are all the components. Let's sort them. So I put in all the resistors. They were not. Yeah, I had to measure them. So I put them all in, and now I'm going to solder them. So next step are a few ceramic capacitors. So there should be a slide switch. Yeah. So then 3 electrolytic capacitors, they are all the same. Then the B and C connector. Okay. And one pin header is missing. So let's clean that a little bit. Doesn't look too bad. So that's the analog board. So next the main board. Here's the switch. And then a pin header. And then tagged switches here. And then I should remove a resistor. R30. It's here. 0 ohm resistor. I forgot this power connector. This thing, it is called a terminal for the test signal. Okay. Whatever this may be. So far, no part was missing. Okay, that is finished. This thing is finished. And it's only this thing left. So now I have soldered all the parts. And now let's put this thing together. So first this. Oh, I think I have to remove the protective film first. So that's the first step. And then I have to solder this. So now it's straight. Then the pin header is in. So now this. That just slides in here like this. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't feel too great, but okay, it's final thing. Adjustment knob. Oh, that's a rotary encoder. And we're done. So that's the JYE-Tech DSO shell. So, okay. Now I have to see if I have a fitting power supply, and then I test this thing. So I didn't have the right power supply or a power, so a wall board, so I have to use my bench style power supply. And I had to reopen this because there is only power supply DC 9 volt, but not if it's center positive or negative. It is center positive. So let's see. If this thing turns on, and it does. Yeah. Chinese crap. Here it is. I guess it's more or less a toy. Just this focus. I will put this through the paces and yeah, maybe it's useful, I don't know. So it was a gift from a friend. He thought maybe it would be fun to build this, and maybe I get some use out of it. Yeah, it seems to work just fine. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I put a link in the description. I asked my buddy where he got this from. I think it's from Amazon. So if you're interested in this, I put a link in the description, and there will be a follow-up video where I will test this thing. And yeah, so I hope this was a useful video. If you have something similar or want to buy something like this, it's easy enough to assemble. So yeah, you need a soldering iron, you need a multimeter, because the resistors weren't labeled, so you have to measure them. But yeah, if I could do it, you can do it. So guys, thanks for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye.